She's just had a lot of erratic behavior. Yesterday she was drinking at the rooftop, then she claimed that the guy that she's with stole $30,000 from her.
You have no business getting involved in all right now. Are you gonna give me my money back?
She already said that they're not going to charge you for the night.
What legal rights does a paying hotel guest hold when management calls the police? At what point does a license to occupy become a criminal trespass, and where exactly does the Fourth Amendment protect you inside a rented room, and where does it not? These answers exist in Florida statute and federal case law. Most people in this situation get all three wrong.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome back. All right, so we have Miss Jessica, who's been with us since yesterday. She's just had a lot of erratic behavior. Yesterday she was drinking at the rooftop, getting really intoxicated. We asked her to leave. She kept coming back 3 times. Then she claimed that the guy that she's with stole $30,000 from her, wanted immediate attention for that. This morning was walking barefoot, grabbing pastries off the Continental thing. So long story short, we're going to kick her out. This morning she was clicking the emergency button. So I was answering it, trying to figure out what happened, what the emergency is. She wouldn't answer me, which is why I called you guys. So we're going to go see what the emergency is, and then we're going to ask her to leave.
Do we want her out just...
In general, I just want her out.
Okay, so we're not doing a trespass.
No, let's do a trespass.
Okay.
Let's do a trespass.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to just speak first, just let her know what's happening. Hotel management.
Hello?
Hi, you pressed the emergency button, so I wanted to come and see if you were okay.
Oh yeah, we're great, thanks.
Do you mind opening the door for me?
I didn't know I pressed emergency.
You're okay, but anytime somebody presses that, I have to enter the room.
What button are we pressing?
The emergency button on the phone.
So I had 2 people up here trying to help me figure out the phone's broken.
Okay, I have to enter though to make sure the room is okay and that you're okay if the emergency button is
Can I
pressed.
put some clothes?
Please do. Thank you.
Do we know if she has a car here, or Uber, or...
I don't know.
142
So what button is that?
So you press the emergency, there's a button that says emergency on the phone. This is your partner. Good morning. How you doing?
Even better. I'm trying to get in touch with... I called emergency on my mother in Orlando.
Oh, okay. So you actually dialed emergency from here?
Yeah, but they connected me to Orlando. My
Oh.
grandmother's in trouble.
Oh no, okay. From our side, just looking around a little bit, it looks like you're smoking on the terrace,
Yeah.
which we don't allow smoking in our property, so we're going to have to ask you to leave today. We're not going to charge you for tonight or anything like that, but we're not going to be able to keep you for another night, so we're going to have to ask you to leave. Are we able to pack everything up within the next 15, 20 minutes?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm serious.
We paid for 2 nights. Can we just pay for the smoking fee?
No, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So I'll step out and then give you guys a chance to kind of get things going. I'll get a bell card up so we can take everything downstairs. Do you have a car with us?
Wonderful. What?
Do you have a vehicle with us?
We have a card and a motorcycle outside.
Okay, we'll get those ready on the ramp for you then. Do you need help
Great.
packing up?
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you. I'll just be
Thanks
right
for all your
outside.
help.
You're welcome.
I'll put an emergency in my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah, she...
You can leave now. You're not gonna watch me dressed and all that. You
Okay,
can go outside.
yeah, we'll step outside and you can put something on,
Yeah.
but then we're going to come and make sure that everything gets packed up.
You can go while we pack. We paid for our room today.
Right, so
Go outside.
you're going to pack because we're
Right,
going to
but
leave.
you're gonna step outside. You're not gonna be here while
Right, well,
you're
we'll
dressed and all that.
she'll get here so
Get outside.
she can watch you
No.
put a shirt on. Listen, ma'am, let me
You're
explain
not
something.
gonna watch any of this.
Let me explain something, okay? You're being removed. You're going to be trespassed.
I understand.
You're
you
going
can
to be.
wait outside while
you're
that
going to-
happens. We have 30 minutes. All we did was smoke outside. Give me a
Going
break.
to be trespassed from the property.
If we don't get out in 30 minutes, get the outside.
First of all,
You don't have any right to tell me what to do in my room that I paid for.
Safety-wise, we don't walk
Right.
out when you're being trespassed.
No. we
you're
have to
being
stay.
trespassed. We are going to make sure that you gather all your belongings.
Wait outside while I do it.
No. If you want to go into the bathroom with a shirt and put a shirt on,
No.
Like an adult?
that's fine.
No.
But we're not leaving you in here
You can
by
act like an
yourselves.
adult and wait the f outside.
We're not doing
I'm gonna
that.
wait over here. Excuse me.
Why don't we start your stuff up, okay?
Excuse me, don't touch me.
You have no business
Okay.
being involved in our property
You're probably my
right now.
server, so you guys are getting kicked out. So you guys get all your stuff.
Yeah, we can do that, but you wait outside while we do that.
No.
Not gonna happen.
We're not doing that.
This is my room. I paid for it.
Being a big
Are you gonna give me my money back?
She already said that they're not going to charge you for the night.
Are you gonna charge me for the day that you're?
Sir, do you have an ID or anything with you?
No.
You're being
charged
charged
for
for
last
last
night,
night,
and
and
not
not anything for today.
Okay.
Why? Because we smoked on the patio. We have to deal with all this.
Yes.
I called the
Let's start
police on my
packing up.
grandmother who was being abused by my mother in Orlando. In a
Jessica, let's
completely
start
different
packing
city.
up, okay?
Acting up?
Packing
Packing
up.
up.
Let's start packing up.
Wait the f outside
We're
while
not
I
waiting
pack up.
outside,
No.
okay?
You have no business being in here.
Just put a shirt on and let's keep moving, okay?
You have no business. I
We're
would
not
like you to
going.
step
We're not
outside.
leaving. I know that's what you would like to happen, but that's not what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So, you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you in
you have no
handcuffs.
business being in
I will
my
put
room.
you in handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room.
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the f out of my room.
Do you wanna go to jail?
Get out of my room.
Last chance.
Is this your stuff too?
You have no business being.
Start packing your belongings.
I
Or you're
paid
going
for
to
this
jail.
room.
Start packing your
For
stuff
2
or you're
nights.
going to
Are you
jail.
refusing to pack your belongings?
No,
and leave?
I asked you to wait outside
And
while
I
pack
explained
my
that
stuff.
that's not happening. Are you refusing to pack your thing?
Are you kidding me? You guys are the biggest I've ever met in my goddamn life. Like, we don't have enough problems in this
I'm
goddamn
gonna see if she has the 14 on.
So you might put it in that so that AC doesn't all go out.
Yeah, we actually like it open. We paid for it to be. You're not paid to be here.
I am
We are paid to be here, actually. That's our job.
Want to be
You're
here?
not even allowed to be here right now.
Okay.
This is highly illegal.
What's your first name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan? What's your last name, Ryan?
Ryan, come here.
Can you spell
Ryan.
that?
Give me
Here.
the address.
Hold on, hold on. How do
Ryan,
you spell?
do you not, you don't have to
You
do
stop.
anything in this room. Come here. Right now.
Go put your shirt on.
Come here.
Ryan.
Ryan,
Ryan.
Right
please listen to us.
now.
She's gonna
In
get
here.
trouble.
You do not do anything that goddamn say.
How much longer are we gonna do with it?
Let's
Before we put her in handcuffs?
I'm ready to be ready.
I'm ready. Can we at least hope she puts
Well, that's what I was hoping
No,
was
but
going to
she took it
happen.
off.
Well, she took that off to put something else on.
At least they have their Narcan ready.
Oh, Jesus.
I can hear you whispering.
1 call 5, 1 call 4.
And we can hear us. Oh!
Go for it.
And I know my rights. And I'm explaining them to my friend. Do not answer one goddamn word they ask me.
Okay.
Actively doing this reference.
She's packing.
Our lawyer will answer every question you possibly have.
Awesome.
Cool. Do not answer a goddamn question they ask you. Losers. Nothing better to do with their time. Would you mind helping me with the suitcase, Ryan? Or Mike? Michael or Ryan?
Ryan. It's Ryan.
Oh, sorry, did I like that inside? I guess I might have gotten charged then. For smoking
Ryan.
inside. I just want to light up a cigarette, right?
No, you're not. You're not smoking.
Don't tell me what the I'm doing. I haven't done anything illegal. I just tried to save my 98-year-old grandma from getting her beat. That's all I did. She's got her.
I don't think the phone's cordless, so I don't think that's how it
It
works.
is actually cordless. That's how it works.
Oh, okay.
It's 2024. What the?
That's
That's
true.
weird. And we didn't do a goddamn thing wrong, and you're in my room. And you have no business being here. It's a room I rented, so it's my room right now. I paid for it, so it is.
You say right there.
You can say right there. Good thing we're on YouTube.
Good thing.
This place just opened and it will just get closed.
Ryan, you're gonna be the one driving, right?
No, we're not driving.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Even better.
Is it? Yeah, because we're from LA. And
Good.
guess what I am?
Please.
An
don't.
investigative reporter.
Congratulations.
Yep. To you or me?
To you.
Would you like some kratom? Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal opium.
We got a caller at North
I mean, we can all smell it.
All right.
I didn't
Put your hands
know
behind your back. You don't need to
It's
breathe
like,
in
it's
clear.
a joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
You're going to jail. You're done.
Why?
Spraying me with that.
It's
don't know what
not
that is.
really. It's a powder.
Doesn't matter. You're going
It's
to
an
jail.
herb that heals you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Keep you intoxicated. I don't need that.
Well, you could be healed in
I'm
jail.
in my. Why?
You got all of her stuff to figure out to do with her stuff?
Come on now.
Stop.
No,
You guys, it's seriously.
no,
Look at it.
no,
I
You're
bought
done.
it at the gas station.
no.
Gave you
We
enough
tried.
chances. You're done.
For what? Second drawer. Why would I get arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct, trespass after warning. We're asking you to leave, and you're
Why, though?
you're
For
making more of
what?
a mess.
You kidding me?
It's kratom. It's a herb.
Right. You know that kratom's illegal in the city of Sarasota?
No, I bought it at the gas station in Sarasota.
Cool. Not in the city of Sarasota.
Yeah, I did. I swear on God.
Nope.
Weren't you with me?
1 call 5 at the West End, 1074 South.
1074.
It was a joke.
That's not funny, okay? Is anyone laughing? You're not even laughing.
Why are you
So why
in my
don't you
hotel room?
Put your
on,
shoes
put your
on,
shoes
we're
on.
going.
I paid $250.
I don't care how much you paid,
Congratulations.
you're going.
We're still working on it.
Are you good with him, LT, if we take her down?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, sounds good.
What am I getting arrested for?
I already told you.
For what? Please don't.
Oh, you're all calm and you want to talk like a normal person now, right? Now that you're in handcuffs, right? But before when you're throwing around kratom,
Because I was in my own hotel room that I paid a lot
The
of money
West,
for.
the West
I've
End.
never paid that much money for a hotel room.
Oh, you probably shouldn't again. Okay?
Well, it was a lot of money. I felt like I deserved to be there.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, what do we do now? It's kratom. It's like an herb. Like a herbal tea.
Yeah.
Are
That
you concealing anything within your body?
Okay. Go ahead, take a step in.
For what?
You take a picture of her.
Yeah, I got it.
Is this who you are?
Yeah, this is what yep, this is what's fun for me. I want to come up and deal with drunk women throwing kratom around their hotel. Yeah. Because the hotel called us.
Why?
Because you're acting ridiculous and calling the emergency button. That's why.
Oh, my grandmother in Orlando.
Okay, well, that's not how that works, dude.
Yeah, it was. They went to her house.
Cool.
My grandmother is being abused by my mother, dude. She broke her hip and her leg.
Well, you should be there
She's
taking care of that.
98 years old, and I went there and I tried to help.
Okay.
And I couldn't do anything, so I called from here.
Under Florida common law, a hotel guest holds a temporary license to occupy, not a property interest. A license can be revoked by the property owner for just cause at any time, including violation of hotel policy, regardless of payment already made. This distinction is foundational. Every legal right that follows depends on which category applies. Florida Statute Section 810.08 covers trespass in a structure or conveyance. A hotel room qualifies as a structure, so the offense is complete upon a verbal warning from an authorized representative of the property followed by a refusal to leave. No written notice is required, no additional legal process is owed. From that moment, continued presence is a second-degree misdemeanor. Prior payment is legally irrelevant. Payton versus New York, 445 U.S. 573, decided in 19,980, protects private residences from warrantless entry. That protection does not extend equally to a hotel room when the property owner has invited law enforcement to assist with a lawful eviction. Officers present at management's invitation have lawful authority to remain on the property. A guest's right to exclude others does not survive revocation of the license to occupy. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided in 19,989, establishes that force is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Tennessee versus Garner, 471 U.S. 1, decided in 19,985, requires that force be proportional to the threat presented. Relevant factors under Graham: severity of the offense, immediacy of threat, and degree of active resistance. Handcuffing a misdemeanor subject after exhausting verbal alternatives satisfies both standards. Florida Statute Section 877.03 covers breach of the peace and disorderly conduct. Florida courts apply a cumulative conduct standard, not a single-act threshold. Verbal defiance alone is generally insufficient for probable cause. The threshold is met when sustained refusal of lawful orders combines with introduction of a controlled substance toward law enforcement. Each act compounds the prior in the statutory analysis. Sarasota Municipal Ordinance classifies kratom as a controlled substance within city limits, separate from Florida state law. Where a substance is purchased and where it is legally permitted are distinct legal questions. Griffin versus California, 380 U.S. 609, decided in 19,965, prohibits any adverse inference from a suspect's silence. Advising a companion to invoke Fifth Amendment protection is a constitutionally protected act, not obstruction. 3 legal lessons apply from this framework. First, a hotel guest holds a revocable license, not a property right. Second, a verbal trespass warning from authorized management satisfies Florida Statute Section 810.08 without written notice. Third, probable cause for disorderly conduct accumulates across multiple acts, not from any single one. Understanding the legal line before an encounter begins is the only effective protection. Disputing the law during the encounter changes none of these outcomes. Was arrest legally inevitable from the moment the trespass warning was issued under Florida Statute Section 800.08, or did a different decision exist at some point in that? What does this legal framework reveal about the gap between what people believe the Constitution protects in a rented space and what the law actually says it does? The statute is precise. Whether the people involved understood, it is the question that stays open.